Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. This is Karan Sharma and you're watching Gizbot. Today I have Infinix S5 Lite with me to unbox this device and give you a first impression of this smartphone and tell you what's there inside the box. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this is how the Infinix S5 Lite's retail box looks like. It says 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Apart from that, on the specification part, it comes with a 6.6-inch Infinity O display, 16 megapixel of front camera and triple rear camera. It also comes with 4000 mAh of battery, 3D face beauty and face unlock and fingerprint scanners. Meanwhile, you also have a made in India branding over here. While looking at the retail box, you can get to know that the smartphone comes with a punch hole camera. So let's unbox this device and see what's there inside it. So like always, the smartphone comes first, and let's keep it aside and see what's there inside the box. You have a charging adapter, a USB cable, a SIM ejector tool, some user manual, and of course the hard case along with a screen protector. So let's keep it aside and boot up the smartphone. So let's boot up the device and see how it performs. Till the time the device is booting up, let's remove these protections and let's talk about the design of the smartphone. So while talking about the design, we can say that the rear glass finish is looking very premium and it comes with a triple rear camera along with quad LED setup. Apart from that, you also have a fingerprint scanner and an Infinix branding right behind the smartphone. On the right, you have the volume rocker keys, a power button. On top, the edges are clean, and on the left, you have the SIM tray. Down there, you have a speaker grill, a micro USB port, and 3.5mm jack along with a microphone. Let's set up the device. So as you can see, the smartphone is booted up and it's looking very beautiful. The screen resolution is very impressive and the company has managed to put the AirPics very smartly up there. So let's go to the setting menu and see what are the settings we are going to get with this smartphone. So the Infinix S5 Lite comes with Cheetah version 5.5.2 and it comes with a 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Apart from that, it comes with a 16 megapixel AI selfie camera, 16 megapixel triple rear camera, 2.6 GHz processor, 4000 mAh battery and 720 into 1600 pixels screen resolution. Apart from that, it runs on Android Pie on top of its own XOS Cheetah version 5.5.2. Apart from that, in display settings, you have brightness level, eye care mode. As you can just put it on, it will change the color to warm and it will reduce the blue lightings on the screen display. Moreover, you also have app update. So here you will get all the app update directly, so you need not have to go to Play Store again and again to check the updates. So this is all about the specification of the phone. So let's talk about the camera because the camera looks very premium from outside. Let's see how it performs. So this is the triple rear camera. Let's click some picture in AI camera setting. So let's see how it performs. And this is the bokeh mode. And I must say that the edges are clean. And in this indoor lighting, the camera is performing really good. Let's see how it performs with the AI camera. And I must say that the AI camera setting is really impressive. The edges are really very clean and you can see the quality of the camera. It is very decent. And this is the normal mode, which is also very good, and I believe that the camera will perform better in the outdoor lighting. So let's test the front 16 megapixel AI camera. And moreover, just like all the Infinix smartphones, this time also the company has added the AR shots, which are very impressive. It will give you a lot of things to do with your selfies and you can just entertain yourself with this AR shots. So let's check the quality. While coming to the quality of the front camera, I must say that the bokeh effect of this camera is working pretty good, and I am very much impressed with the quality. And this is the normal beauty shot, and I think the beautification on this photograph is very much, because the real photo is like this, and the quality of the picture is very clean, and the edges what we want is very clean. I must say that the front camera and the rear camera both are performing very decent. So that's all for the camera specification. Let's talk about the screen quality, and for that we have to go to YouTube and see some videos on that.
Fold is by far the most unique smartphone you can buy today in the Indian market. It is loaded with technology and features that you might have never seen or used before. Now we have the Indian retail box. Even though it is not a sealed box, we still want to show you what you get inside in this packaging if you are paying a hefty amount of rupees 1,64,999. I am Rohit Arora, and this is the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Fold. So let's get started.
So as you can see, the quality of the screen is very impressive, and you can't feel any distortion on the quality of the pixels, and the quality of the sound is also very impressive. So let's talk about the notification panel. So on the notification panel you have the traditional Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LED flash which comes with dual tone brightness, and apart from that you have airplane mode, auto rotation, location, switch data SIM cards, eye care mode as we have shown you earlier, screenshot, you can put screenshot directly. Apart from that you have battery lab, hotspot, data saver, bike mode, silent screen recorder, read mode, one hand use, do not disturb, multiple windows, WhatsApp mode, and cast. So that's all for the notification bar, and let's check the security system of the smartphone, because I have already enrolled my Face ID and fingerprint ID with this smartphone. Let's see how good it performs and whether it's worth for the money or not. So let's check the facial recognition technology. Wow, that was quick. The first down was very quick. Nice. That is also nice. Wow, the face unlocking feature of the smartphone is really brilliant, because the moment I'm just switching it on, it's just unlocking the smartphone. All I have to just do is to click this button and it's done. So this part is very impressive, and let's test the fingerprint scanner. Wow. The response time of fingerprint scanner is also very good. So that is all about the smartphone, the Infinix S5 Lite. So this was the unboxing and first impression of Infinix S5 Lite, and I must say that the smartphone performs really good, and on the first go it impressed me a lot. But that's not it, because I'm going to use the smartphone for a while and get back to you with a comprehensive review. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also press that bell icon so that you won't miss any update from Gizbot. This is Karan Sharma signing off.